Hi, good morning. My name is Manpreet and I am a BSc graduate nurse. I have worked with many big hospitals like Medanta, Max and Fortis, and now I am aspiring to go abroad to work in UK. Currently I am studying IELTS from Bayfield Dwarka. I got to know about this organization through an advertisement, so I decided to contact them. I am in contact with Dwarka from past 3 years, but in between I tried to gain some experience and I tried my hands on some other organization as well. And candidly speaking, I have wasted my money in the past 3 years and the time also, because I have tried IELTS. I have given IELTS 2 times before coming in this organization, and it was a totally waste of money. I did not get my desired score. Then I finally contacted Alka ma'am here. The staff here is very warm and welcoming, and the staff is very hospitable with you. They totally focused on your training. They give you one-to-one training of IELTS and especially focus on your drawbacks and how to come up with new ideas in IELTS and more. So, and first of all, the main thing, they give a lot of beautiful packages which is very pocket friendly. We can say from IELTS to CBT to NMC registration, and after that interview and preparing your file, all of them in a single package, which is very pocket friendly. So I would recommend all of the nurses and all of the upcoming nurses like me, who have wasted years of their life trying IELTS or OAT in different institute. So please contact Bayfield, as I'm very happy with the organization, and luckily I have completed my IELTS and I'm preparing for CBT. So I would recommend you all, let's give it a try here, and please do not waste time like I have wasted my 3 years of life. Thank you Bayfield for proving me wrong, that because I was in a very low confidence that I would not be able to complete IELTS in third go also, but it was my third attempt, and Bayfield made it possible that yes, you can achieve, because they give a one-to-one training and they specially focus on the medical professional, and they are very specialist in sending medical professionals to UK. So I would totally recommend Bayfield to every medical professional out there who are aspiring to go abroad.